A competence-oriented course design requires a modular structure with clearly described learning outcomes. This makes recognition and crediting processes much easier. But what does competence-oriented actually mean? Competence orientation describes a change in perspective that places the acquisition of competencies in dealing with content-related problems in a subject at the center of teaching and studying. In essence, the aim is for students to develop academic skills, but also attitudes and values, as well as interdisciplinary key competencies. Although specialized knowledge is the basis for academic achievement, it does not in itself provide the ability to solve problems independently. However, academic studies should enable students to perform complex scientific activities and contribute to the development of an independent personality. First, the goals of the study must be determined. This determines which competencies are needed to achieve these goals. The competencies are acquired in the course of the study in modules. The central question is therefore which competencies are necessary to be able to solve certain problems. At the end of each module, whether lecture, exercise or seminar, there should be learning outcomes that provide information about the competencies required. The learning outcomes thus describe what students should now know, understand, or be able to do. Reference systems such as qualification frameworks and learning goal taxonomies should be used. If you have any questions about this, the Higher Education Didactic Institution can help. Learning outcomes are a decisive factor in the recognition of study and examination achievements, and also for the crediting of competencies acquired outside of higher education. This is because recognition and crediting must ensure that the competence objectives of the degree programme are achieved. The formulation of learning objectives for the individual modules facilitates this check. This not only promotes student mobility and permeability between educational sectors, but also ensures the quality of teaching.